Hello everyone, I am Shrivani, online tutor. I have been teaching maths, physics and chemistry to thousands of students for more than 15 years now. I focus on various curriculum. Currently the CBSE has announced MCQ pattern for the board students. Yes, this is a new format. But children, all of you can score good. The only thing you need to do is make sure your concepts are strong. And secondly, with subjects like maths and science, you need to have a smart approach in handling the different models of questions. So in my channel, I will be focusing on the objective part with the boards as well as the entrance. Let's get started. Hello everyone, let's do trigonometry MCQs today. First question. The question says, if tan theta equals 3, then 4 sin theta minus cos theta divided by 4 sin theta plus cos theta is equal to. So this is the question. So tan theta is 3. And what is asked in the question is 4 sin theta minus cos theta divided by 4 sin theta plus cos theta. What we can do here is divide the numerator and the denominator by cos theta. So when we divide, we will get 4 sin by cos is tan theta minus cos theta by cos theta is going to be 1 divided by 4 sin by cos is again tan theta plus cos by cos is 1. So now tan theta value is given in the question. The question says tan theta is 3. So let me substitute the value in this. So it's going to be 4 multiplied with 3 minus 1 divided by 4 multiplied with 3 plus 1. So the answer is 12 minus 1 divided by 12 plus 1. So the option B, the second option, 11 by 13 is the correct answer. So the second option is the correct answer. Moving on to the next question. The question says, given that sin theta is A by B, then cos theta is equal to. So question says sin theta is A divided by B. So we have the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. So cos square theta plus sin square theta will be equal to 1. So sin theta is A by T. What is cos square theta? It is 1 minus sin square theta, which is A square by B square. What is cos square theta? What is cos theta? Cos theta will be square root of 1 minus A square by B square. So we can take LCM now. 1 minus A square by B square. So when we take LCM, cos theta will be equal to, inside the square root, we have denominator B square. Numerator will be B square minus A square. Now, cos theta will be equal to square root of B square minus A square divided by, denominator we have square root of B square, square and square root gets cancelled. So we have only B in the denominator. So this is second option, square root of B square minus A square by B. Second option is the correct answer. Moving on to the next question. The question says, if cos A plus cos square A is 1, then sin square A plus sin power 4A is the question. So what is cos A from the question? Cos A will be 1 minus cos square A. So cos A will become equal to sin square A. Now what is asked in the question? Sin square A plus sin power 4A is asked in the question. So sin square A plus sin power 4A. So this is sin square A plus sin square A the whole square. So what is my sin square A? I just found my sin square A, which is cos A. So I'll substitute it here. So sin square A plus sin square A is cos A and the whole square. So it becomes cos square A. So now I have the identity sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. So option C is the correct answer. Moving on to the next question. The question says, if cos of 81 plus theta is sine of k by 3 minus theta, where theta is an acute angle, Then the value of k is asked in the question. So cos of 81 plus theta equals sine of k by 3 minus theta. So cos is there on the left hand side, sine is there on the right hand side. So we change the sign. Sine theta is cos of 90 minus theta. So we have the formula. So sine of k by 3 minus theta will be cos of 90 minus k by 3 minus theta. Now we can cancel cos on either side of the equation. So we have 81 plus theta equal to 90 minus k by 3 minus of minus plus theta. So again theta on either side of the equation can be cancelled. So 81 equals 90 minus k by 3. K by 3 you can transpose it to the left hand side, which will be equal to 90 minus 81, so which is a 9. So from here we have k is equal to 3 into 9, which is 27. K is 27, which is option B. Option B is the correct answer. So moving on to the next question. The next question is tan 2a equals cot of a minus 18, where 2a is an acute angle. Then the value of a is asked in the question. So tan 2a equals cot of a minus 18 degrees. So tan is in the left hand side, cot is in the right hand side. So we definitely need to change the cot to tan. So again we have the complementary angles formulas. Cot theta will be tan of 90 minus theta. So this is going to be tan of 90 minus a minus 18. So now we can cancel tan on either side of the equation. So 2a will be equal to 90 minus a minus of minus plus 18. So this minus a we can take it to the left hand side. 3a will be equal to 90 plus 18, which is 108. So a will be 36 degrees. So which is option C is the correct answer. Moving on to the next question. The question says cos power 4a minus sin power 4a is equal to. So let me write it down. Cos power 4a minus sin power 4a. So we have the identity a square minus b square is a plus b multiplied with a minus b. So let's write this cos power 4a as cos square a the whole square minus sin square a the whole square. So looking at this identity, a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. What is my a here? Cos square a. What is my b here? Sin square a. So a plus b. So cos square a plus sin square a multiplied with a minus b, which is cos square a minus sin square a. So cos square a plus sin square a is 1. 1 multiplied with cos square a minus sin square a. So I have cos square a minus sin square a. Okay. So multiplied with 1. So now when I look at the options, this option is not there, this answer is not there in any of the options. So I definitely cos square a, I should do some change. Sin square a can be written as 1 minus cos square. So let me write it. 1 minus cos square. So that is the identity we know, sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. So cos square a minus sin square a, where sin square a is written as 1 minus cos square a. So now this is going to be cos square a minus 1 plus cos square a. So this will final answer 2 cos square a minus 1. So this is there as option D in the answer. So option D is the correct answer. So moving on to the next question. The question says tan 45 tan 30 x multiplied by tan 45 degrees sin 30 degrees equals cos 30 degree tan 30 degree. Then x is equal to, so x is multiplied with tan 45 degrees sin 30 degrees equals cos 30 degrees tan 30 degrees tan 30 degrees. Then what is asked in the question? The x value is asked in the question. So x multiplied with tan 45 degrees is 1. Sin 30 degrees is 1 by 2. Cos 30 degrees is root 3 divided by 2. Tan 30 degrees is 1 by root 3. So here root 3 will get cancelled. So x multiplied with 1 by 2 will be x by 2. Here I have 1 by 2 on the right hand side. So again this denominator terms on either side of the equation will get cancelled. So x is equal to 1, which is option D is the correct answer. So the next question. The question says tan theta, b tan theta equals A. The question says b tan theta equals A. So tan theta will be A by B. The value of A sin theta minus B cos theta divided by A sin theta plus B cos theta is asked in the question. So if tan theta is A by B, A is opposite side, B is adjacent side. So what is my hypotenuse? Hypotenuse will be square root of A square plus B square. So now I have the values of opposite side, adjacent side and hypotenuse side. So let me substitute it. A sin theta minus B cos theta divided by A sin theta plus B cos theta is the question. So sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. So A is multiplied with opposite side is here, which is A. Adjacent side is B. Hypotenuse side is A square, square root of A square plus B square. So sin is opposite by hypotenuse. So A divided by square root of A square plus B square minus B of cos theta. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. So B divided by square root of A square plus B square. This whole thing divided by again A multiplied with again sin theta, which is A divided by A square plus B square plus, here the sign is plus in the denominator, B multiplied with B divided by A square plus B square. So now what I have to do is I just have to take LCM and all that and check. So where there is a numerator and the denominator, so let me take LCM. So when I take LCM for the numerator, I will have A square by square root of A square minus B square minus B square by square root of A square plus B square divided by A square by square root of A square plus B square. There is a plus sign in the denominator. B square divided by square root of A square plus B square. So the numerator will be A square minus B square divided by square root of A square plus B square. Denominator will be A square plus B square divided by square root of A square plus B square. So this gets cancelled in the numerator and in the denominator. So my final answer is going to be A square minus B square divided by A square plus B square. So this is option D. Option D is the correct answer. Moving on to the next question. Here the question says, if A, B, C are the interior angles of the triangle ABC, then cos of B plus C by 2 is equal to. So we know the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degrees. So this is angle sum property of a triangle in triangle ABC. So now the question is having, when you look at the question is having B plus C by 2. So this divided by 2 happening. So divide by 2 throughout. So when you divide by 2 throughout the equation, be A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 equals 180 by 2, which is 90 degrees. Now again looking into the question, B plus C by 2. So let me write B plus C by 2 on the left hand side. Transpose A by 2 to the right hand side. So that will be 90 minus A divided by 2. So the question says cos of B plus C by 2. So taking cos on both the sides. So you have cos of B plus C divided by 2 equals cos of 90 minus a by 2. So the question is cos of b plus c divided by 2. And the answer is having all sine and minus cos and all that. There is no answer like cos of 90 minus a by 2. But we know that cos of 90 minus a by 2 is nothing but sine a by 2. So let me look at the options there. Sine a by 2 is there. Sine a by 2 is the option A. So option A is the answer, which is sine a by 2. So now the next question. So the question says, if cos A is sine A and 9A is less than 90 degrees, then what is the value of tan 5A? That is asked in the question. So the question says cos 9A is equal to sine A. So cos 9A will be equal to, sine can be written as cos of sine theta can be written as cos of 90 minus theta. So cos of 90 minus A. Cancelling cos on either side. So 9A will be equal to 90 minus A. This minus A, if it comes to the left hand side, if it is transposed to the left hand side, it becomes 10A. 10A is 90, so A is going to be 9. Question is not asking for A. Question is asking for tan 5A. So tan of 5 times 9 is 45 degrees. So what is tan 45 degrees? Tan 45 degrees is 1. So option B is the correct answer. So that's all with the trigonometry MCQs for today. If you like the video, you could watch more in my channel.